Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put about ax plus b over s squared plus 1 and c over s minus 3 because we have the power 2 in here. So on numerator we need to reduce the power from 2 minus 1. That's why we have s, and later that we need to reduce the power from number 1 to number 0. That's why we have capital B. Next, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s minus 3. So ax plus b multiplied by s minus 3. About this one, it is missing about s squared plus 1. So capital C multiplied by s squared plus 1. And this one, we have the same denominator. So for this one, we need to expand, and we have ax squared minus 3ax plus bx minus 3b. Now, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we have a plus c. About x, we have negative 3a plus b. About the number, we have negative 3b plus c. Now we need to compare coefficients. We have s squared, this is about number 1. So a plus c equals to number 1. About s, this one equals to number 1. We don't have the number in here, so this one equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. So a plus c equals to number 1. Negative 3a plus b equals to number 1. Negative 3b plus c equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of a, b, c. So a equals to negative 1 over 5. B equals to 2 over 5. C equals to 6 over 5. And now I will put a, b, c go in here. So a equals to negative 1 over 5. B equals to 2 over 5. C equals to 6 over 5. And now we need to separate them in here. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 2, ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. The integration of this one, we have 2 over 5 tan of s. The integration of this one, we have 6 over 5 ln of the absolute value of s minus 3. This one we have 1 over 10. This is the end. Thank you for watching.